Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen in a 2014 BMW 3 Series. It's an X-Drive 328, and we install our universal lip mount camera. And I just want to show you that our USB dongle is capable to do Android Auto and also Apple CarPlay. I have Apple CarPlay in other videos, but right now I'm showing you that it's connected to a Samsung phone and through the USB dongle, and that's the Android Auto. So basically I can go to navigation, I can go to home, and that's the Android Auto. Weather is there, address to go home, I can play music, and I can go to the main menu, and that's the map from Google Maps, and that's where we are located in Canada, Markham, Ontario. And the unit that we install, it's an 8.1 Android system. As you can see here, with 2 gig RAM and 32 gig hard. So our USB dongle is capable to do Android Auto and also Apple CarPlay. If you're interested to get these type of units, like original units, not with the fake Android version, not with the fake RAM and hard, you can buy them online only from 4x4shop.ca if you want the original units without faking Android version or the hardware inside. So buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.